When it comes to polishing compounds, Scholl Concepts offers two distinct ranges. Our Ecofix range aims squarely at detailers, valeters and enthusiasts, and our S range that's designed for professional users including body shops and car manufacturers and confident amateurs. The Ecofix range gives you the opportunity to get that distinctive Scholl quality, but at a more budget price point. What's more, its lubricated formula enables you to work it for longer safely, with no need to rush. Just take your time. Water-based, with some silicons within its makeup, the range includes 3 compounds, a one-step all-round polish and a wax. Now the premium S range, which includes popular technical compounds such as S3 Gold XXL, S20 Black and S17, gets high-end results quickly. The one-step finishing solution really is possible thanks to its state-of-the-art IPT technology. The abrasive agents used means you get amazing cutting performance and unbelievable gloss finishes. Like Ecofix, it's water-based, but the S range contains no wax, oils or silicone. Whether you choose to use the Ecofix range or the S range, one thing is absolutely certain. Scholl's purpose-made pads will make a big difference. In fact, the correct choice of pad will make up to 30% difference to your results. This is because Scholl are one of the few compound manufacturers who also make their own pads and make pad systems to complement each compound, and that guarantees the best results.